Hello, this is a reality test of International English Language Testing System powered by IDP to assess the level of candidate. My name is Suman and I am here to conduct the speaking of candidate number 111151 and name Swaran Kumar. So shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
What's your full name?
My name is Swan Kaur.
How may I call you?
You can address me Swan.
Where are you from?
I live in Lakhwal Khurd near about Machiyada Sai, which is situated in between Samral and Ludhiana.
Do you like your living area?
Yes, of course. I love my area. It is not big, but it is a very comfortable.
What changes would you like to see there in near future?
To be honest, my area is very beautiful and it is very comfortable. I would know more changes in my area because my area is very comfortable.
Okay, now let's talk about makeup. Do you wear makeup often?
To be honest, I do not wear makeup often. I always wear makeup. Then I go to a special occasion.
What does wearing makeup mean to you?
Please repeat the question.
What does wearing makeup mean to you? What's the meaning of makeup to you?
I think nowadays makeup is very important for girls because with the help of makeup we can easily looking very beautiful. So I think makeup is very beautiful for girls.
Do you give makeup kit as a gift?
Yes, of course. My cousin last birthday, my cousin gave me a gift on my birthday party as a makeup kit.
What do you think when you see a man wearing makeup?
Nowadays, men also wear makeup. And most of the celebrities and artists are wearing makeup because they also want to looking beautiful and handsome.
This is end of part 1. Now for part 2, here is your cue card with some questions. You will have a minute to look at the question and you need to speak for 2 minutes on the topic of cars. If you wish, you can use this notepad and pencil to make some notes. Your cue card is describe an art and craft activity that you had at school. Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, start.
Well, art and craft play an instrumental role in our life. I have keen interest in art, and I also did a competition in many art and craft activity. Here I would like to talk about activity which I did at school during my school time. Actually, I did embroidery on a fulkari during my school time. There was a big competition in my school, and their student took a range of activities like music, painting, art and craft, and so on. So that time I decided to embroidery on fulkari. As a matter of fact, I learned about it from my grandmother because she is perfect in this skill, and she told me all the things which were needed to embroidery. So firstly I bought some frame and colorful thread. On the day of competition, I had only 2 hours to complete it. Firstly, I draw some beautiful design on embroidery, and after that I filled with the help of bright color thread. After completing it, I observed it carefully. I felt very happy because it looking very pretty. So after that I submitted on time. After some that time, judges announced my name for first prize. So that time I felt very glad because everyone appreciate me, and so that time I have very wonderful experience. So judges gave me a beautiful trophy. So I also gave trophy to my grandmother, and I thanks to my grandmother. So that time I have very wonderful experience for me.
Okay. I'm going to stop you here. Your time is up. So please pass the question. Thank you. Now I will ask you some follow-up questions. Let's talk about art and school activities. What kind of extracurricular activities do schools offer in your country for a student?
Please repeat the question.
What kind of extracurricular activities do schools offer in your country for a student?
Well, nowadays school provide a range of activities for students like dancing, painting, art and craft activities, and many more. Because if children have keen interest these activities, so they can reduce their stress.
Do you think they need to be improved? Do you think they need to be improved?
I think yes. Some students have do not much knowledge about these activity. So I think schools should provide to these classes to student to improve it. So they can easily improve by taking classes.
Have school activities improved any skills within you? Have school activities improved any skill within you?
Yes, school improved my lot of skills. Like now I am perfect in my painting, but I would remember in my school time I was not easily make beautiful drawing, but now I am perfect in this skill.
Do you think children must be motivated to learn drama and other art forms like painting and dancing in schools? Why and why not?
I think teacher should encourage to student to participate in these activities, because it helps to increase their confidence and also their talent. So I think teacher should encourage to students to participate a range of activities.
Is learning performing arts or drama motivated among children in your country?
Yes, of course. In my country, lot of people prefer to watch drama because it is one of a stress buster for them. Because if they watch drama classes, so they can be reduce their stress, and also if they have keen interest, so they can participate.
Okay, this is the end of your speaking. Thank you so much.
Thank you.